For a minimalist eyebrow effect, I'm using the Brow Define Eyebrow Pencil, which has a wonderful blending brush that helps reduce the appearance of any harsh lines. Let's start off by grooming our brows using the blending brush. This pencil really works by how much pressure you apply, which makes it super versatile. But as we're going for a minimalist effect, I'm using soft, light sketching motions and using my natural brow shape to help guide me. I'm now using the brush to diffuse any harsh lines. I'm now using the lash and brow gel to set the brow hairs to my desired shape. If there's any areas you wish to fill more, do this with light sketching motions on that area like so. There you have it, a minimalist brow effect using the Brow Define Eyebrow Pencil with the wonderful lash and brow gel.